Hey guys, in this video I walk you through how to replace the rear brake pads on 2018 Honda Odyssey. So first, park the vehicle on the level surface and do not engage the parking brake. Loosen the rear lug nuts slightly, but don't remove them yet. To keep the vehicle from rolling, I added a couple of 2x4 blocks under the front wheels for extra safety. Now use a floor jack to lift the rear of the vehicle. Place it under the rear pinch well jack point. This is where the vehicle is designed to be lifted safely. Once the rear is lifted, remove the loosened lug nuts and take off the wheels. I like to slide the wheel under the car for additional protection, just in case. Locate the brake caliper and remove the two 14mm bolts that hold it to the caliper bracket. If the slide pin starts turning, hold it steady with a backup wrench, usually a 17mm. Once the bolts are out, remove the caliper and hang it securely. I used a piece of thick copper wire, but you can use a bungee cord or zip tie. Just don't let it hang by the brake hose. Now remove the old brake pads and hardware. Take a quick look at the wear pattern. They were definitely ready to be replaced. Clean up the caliper bracket with a wire brush and make sure the slide pins move freely. Remove them, wipe them clean, apply a small amount of high temperature brake grease and reinstall them. Next, let's deal with EPB motor. Remove the two T45 Torx bolts, then gently pull the motor straight out. EPB means electronic parking brake. Use a T45 Torx bit to rotate the internal mechanism clockwise. This will retract the caliper piston. Then use a clamp. I used one of my woodworking clamps to compress the piston fully back into its housing. Now reinstall the EPB motor and secure it with the Torx bolts. Time to put everything back together. Install the new brake hardware into the caliper bracket, then set the new brake pads in place. Apply a little brake grease on the pad contact points to reduce noise. Slide the caliper over the new pads and reinstall the 14mm caliper bolts. Torque them to 23 foot-pounds. Reattach the wheels and hand tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle and torque the lug nuts to 94 foot-pounds using a star pattern. Before driving, pump the brake pedal a few times to seat the pads. Then take a quick low-speed test drive to make sure everything feels good. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY car repair tutorials and different things.